I received few emails like I should highlight the double standard of the society, because I have written few articles which I have shared on my social media pages on Facebook and all that, which people highly appreciated, which is I'm very thankful for them. And they requested me so I should talk about these double standards. So this is my first video, and I give the name to this video, the religious touch. So in our daily life or normal life, and the special occasions like weddings, like parties, dinner parties, as a Muslim, we love our religion a lot. But because we do not want to ignore our religion, but what we're doing, this is the question, and this is the thing which is we need to ask ourselves. We're just giving a little touch of a religion in our special occasions, such as, for example, at the wedding ceremonies. Only at the occasion of nikah, when some maulana or the local imam do the nikah ceremony, he makes some dua and he reads some specific Quranic verses, and then we know this is some Islamic wedding. Apart from that, organizing the wedding, attending the ceremony, and even after that, how we represent ourselves, how much we follow the terms and condition of our deen, we know better. So by just giving that a little touch, we just think we fulfilled the all religious terms and condition. And other thing which is I would like to highlight is about, like, in few months, inshallah, the Ramadan coming. May Allah let us reach the holy month of Ramadan with good health, and may Allah help us to spend this holy month with good health and iman. Amin. So in Ramadan we organize or we attend the iftar party in which we break our fast together. So what happens at right few minutes before when the fast breaks, before the Maghrib Salah or Namaz, or the specific time when the Muslim break their fast, which is we call iftar in Pakistan and India. So we just raise our hands, we make dua, and if it's a gathering and some imam or the local Maulana is also there, he just makes some dua. So everyone makes the dua with him. So apart from that, unfortunately, I'm sorry to say, which is I have observed, many of us we even miss the Maghrib Salah, because we think if we wash our face, we may lose our face value, right? Which is we need to think about, because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran that I created you in the best form, right? So he made us beautiful, but we still need to put some extra layers on us. So which is, I'm not against it, but what I'm trying to say that not offering salah because of this reason, this is something we need to think about and look at in our inner self. So we miss salah, and we just two examples I quoted about the religious touch, and these examples can be seen in many occasions, such as the birthday parties, such as a dinner get-together, family get-together, special occasions like Eid. We fasted whole month in Ramadan. We prayed 5 times. We even the long prayer of night after Isha, which is we call Tarawih, we read that as well. So we were exhausted whole day, and still we made effort to read Tarawih and Isha, which is, may Allah give us reward and tawfiq to do it on a regular basis. But soon, the very next day after Ramadan, which is Eid, we forget everything. Most of us, the Muslims I'm talking about, we tend not to read Fajr as well. And this is, we need to think about the touch we are giving on the religion. We're just wearing like cultural or Islamic clothes on the Eid day, and we think we represent ourselves as a Muslim, but we neglect many things. We know better. This is something we need to look at in ourselves. This double standard is, I did not highlight it, that we should look in Mr. ABC or Miss ABC. We need to look in ourselves so we can improve it, and we can work together to rectify this double standard.